Welcome you in bio class. I am going to explain hepatic portal system. So for that, first you have to know what is portal vein. Portal vein. You know vein is a blood vessels which take the blood from the organs of the body and convey the blood to the heart. But sometimes a vein returning blood from a system of capillaries does not directly goes to the heart. Vein returning blood from a system of capillaries does not directly goes to the heart. Instead of going to the heart, again it divided into a second capillary system in the tissue, and then blood return to the heart. So such a vein is called portal vein. So there is one example of portal vein is hepatic portal vein. So what is the hepatic portal vein? See here the veins which are starting from stomach. This is the stomach. These are intestine. So the veins which are starting from stomach and intestine do not directly convey the blood to the posterior vena cava. So instead of conveying the blood to the posterior vena cava, they are not conveying the blood to the posterior vena cava. Which vein? The vein which are starting from the stomach and different parts of the intestine. So these blood vessels do not convey the blood to the posterior vena cava. They enter the liver. So this organ is liver. So these blood vessels do not convey the blood to the posterior vena cava. Instead of that, they enter into the liver and they break into again capillaries. So this is called hepatic portal vein. And in the liver, to break into capillaries and form a new vein again. So that is called hepatic vein. So this hepatic vein now convey the blood to the posterior vena cava. So therefore, now we can say a portal vein. What is a portal vein? A portal vein is one which starts with capillaries. Portal vein starts with capillaries and also ends in capillaries. That is called portal vein. So what is the importance of this portal vein? The blood vessels which starts from the stomach and intestine. In the blood, absorbed nutrients are present. So these nutrients are coming to the liver. Liver acts like a storage organ. Liver will store and regulate the quantity of nutrients flowing in general blood circulation. If these blood vessels direct convey to the posterior vena cava convey the blood to the heart, then all the nutrients which were absorbed from the different part of the alimentary canal that supply to the general blood circulation, then excess of sugar, excess of nutrients will reach to the different tissue of the body, and certain poisonous substances also will reach to the organs of the body. In that case, normal functioning of the organ is disturbed. But when it conveys the blood to the liver, so liver what is doing here? This liver is acting as storage organ. Liver will regulate the quantity of nutrients. It will regulate the quantity of nutrients. Quantity of nutrients. Beside this, it detoxify the certain absorbed poisonous substances. So their function of the liver is very important. Liver is going to store the nutrients for emergency situation. Liver is regulating the quantity of nutrients. Then excess of nutrients cannot reach to the organs of the body, and liver will detoxify the toxic poisonous absorbed substances. In that way, organs of our body cannot be affected. So this is the hepatic portal system. So what is the significance of hepatic portal system? Hepatic portal system store the excess of nutrients for emergency period, emergency situation. It will regulate the nutrients in general blood circulation. It will detoxify the toxic poisonous absorbed substances.